Our first fellow offers prescription eyeglasses and sunglasses in a laid-back, welcoming environment. He pairs independent eyewear with the latest lens technology and introduces emerging designers with honest guidance from a certified optician, specializing in seeing eyewear as a conduit for connection with people. Welcome with me the founder of Enjoy Optical, Mr. Josh Wilcox.
Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it?
Welcome to Enjoy Optical, where we want you to look good, see clearly, and we keep it really easy. We see ourselves as the Apple Store of eyewear, focusing on quality products, sunglasses and eyeglasses in a human-centric environment. You can see this space here. We truly see eyewear differently. In fact, we see you differently. Whether it's a chalkboard that you were able to see at school, or maybe some facial expressions that you could see across the playground as a kid, or maybe you could finally read a book for the first time with your glasses. All of us have needed them or will need them at some point. For me, it was on the basketball court. That little orange hoop up there was really pixelated, and I got glasses, and all of a sudden I was making more shots. And for some of you, maybe you were having trouble reading this screen right now, where it might be time for a pair of glasses. So buying glasses is essential, but what if buying glasses was enjoyable? But walking into a typical optical shop can feel overwhelming, rushed, and even confusing sometimes. Something like this, dark and a little bit cluttered. The Enjoy experience is different. It's simple. The glasses are the show, the people are the show. Shopping online can be even more confusing and overwhelming. So what fits me? What looks good on me? And who do I talk to if I can't see? So the Enjoy experience is truly different. We want you to look good. So we have some fashion advice for you if you want it. And we want to make sure you can see clearly as well. So you have optimal vision in your new glasses. We also want it to be super easy. So we find 3 frames that fit every person that walk into the shop. You can see Julian here in his 3 options. So the traction so far, we have $85,000 in revenue in 5 months, and we have an average order value of $725, so we're making a lot of progress. Our redemptive impact that we imagine is a neighborhood where conversations can happen, encouragement can happen. We have a seating area in our space so that people can come and have a conversation with us. We want to build teams where entrepreneurs can bring their vision and their dream and their energy to the table and be compensated accordingly. We also have a global vision. We want to partner with the Pearl House in Ghana, West Africa, to provide glasses for young girls, and so we want to have that impact on the world. How can you and Enjoy partner? We're looking to add 3 locations in the OKC Metro. We're also looking for connections for acquisition opportunities here in the city and the region. And then we have future plans to expand into cities like Boise, Omaha, and Salt Lake City. And we would love for you to come experience Enjoy in downtown Edmond.
Great job, Josh. That's so awesome. So my specs are from Enjoy. So if you need some specs, you want to check him out.